Hey there, I'm Dave Brown, the president and founder of Sell Now Homebuyers. And if you're looking to sell your house fast in New York or in the New York tri-state area, you're in the right place because we buy houses for cash as is, and we can close on your timeline. We are a local family-owned company right here in New York, and we've been in business for 20 plus years and have bought hundreds of houses across the area. When you work with us, you won't have to pay any real estate commissions, and there are no inspection or financing contingencies either. We will meet with you, inspect your house, and give you an all-cash offer right there on the spot or shortly thereafter. We can even cover your closing costs. So regardless of your situation, we can help. And we've assisted homeowners who are in all kinds of situations, including divorce, bankruptcy, have health problems, people who are behind on their taxes, or who have inherited property. And our customer reviews speak for themselves because we're committed to doing business the right way, and we will guide you through the entire process because we genuinely care. With no commissions, repairs, fees, or hassle, we offer speed and convenience. So if you're looking to sell your house fast in New York or in the New York tri-state area, then don't hesitate to contact us today for a no obligation, all cash offer. Click the link below or in the description. Visit us at sellnowhomebuyers.com or call us at 914-559-2579.